The importance for workers to quickly move throughout their enterprise and beyond the four walls, interfacing with technology to maintain the integrity of traceability data continues to grow in importance. Effective manufacturing intralogistics and supply chain efficiency require that workers collect traceability data as part of their everyday activity. Doing so without impacting their productivity is crucial. Barcodes are the dominant means for tracking and traceability. Collecting data from barcodes must be done such that workers are not slowed down, required to take extra steps, or question whether the data was captured accurately. Workers in different parts of the supply chain perform different tasks and have different needs. Technology cannot be implemented as a one-size-fits-all. It's bad for the worker and it's bad for the enterprise. Instead, data collection solutions must be flexible, allowing them to be tailored for the specific application or the specific worker. Advances in mobility technology enable enterprises to reap benefits for traceability, make it easier for them to thrive in these digital times. New mobility technology from Datalogic seamlessly integrates traceability activity, empowers workers to maximize their productivity, and ensures customer satisfaction through transparency. The new Memoir 20 delivers last-mile traceability with the size and intuitiveness of a smartphone. The new hand scanner liberates workers to use both hands for any task, and the new Scorpio X5 mobile computer offers a long list of industry-leading features including wireless charging and the largest display in its class. Request more information on mobility technology.